So we've had a lot of good results with Enate. The publicly published top line result, which was a 32 million saving, was the first things or the first benefits that we saw from Enate. Efficiency has really been key. We've been able to be more efficient, which means that we've been able to save on the cost of service delivery. In addition to that, we have been able to, by delivering a consistent service, tie that to more clients wanting TMF to be their service provider of choice. Clients are happier with a more consistent service, and therefore we get more business from them, and that has been a constant in the last years since implementing Enate. Roles like mine, or better yet, roles like team leaders or managers that need to understand what their teams are doing and how they're progressing against service delivery deadlines, are very much benefited by Enate. Why? Because the green, yellow, and amber and red status on the service delivery allows them to have visibility and understand if their team needs them or if they can just let the work flow.